In this video, I'll show you how to make a typing speed test using Python. So let's just let's just make a file. Now how this is going to work is we're going to have an instruction like press enter to start typing. Now once you press enter, this is going to be in an input statement so that if you press enter, then this thing will be stored in another input statement, and we do not know how long this is. So we're going to use a while loop to make it infinite as well. And to terminate this, let's say our line 1 is hi and line 2 is hello. So to terminate this, we're just gonna press enter twice. So what this will do is if you press enter twice, there'll be nothing in this line, and then we're gonna make an if statement. So if there is nothing in this line, we're gonna terminate the whole while loop, and then we'll just print our words per minute. And yeah, so that's it. So let's start. We're gonna input time to keep track of the time, of course. Now we're gonna wait. Before that, we have to print our statements. Our instructions. So let's just keep it instructions. Press enter to start typing and press enter twice to stop typing. Press enter to start typing, and this is going to be in a input statement, not our print. So with this time module, package, we have a function called time with parenthesis. So what this function does is, if we call it once, it's going to start, and when you call it once again, like over here, it will end the time count timer. So let's just implement this. Start is equal to this, and this is our end. Let's just delete the extra lines. Now we'll just keep our text in a list. Now we're going to make an infinite while loop, and as I said before, it is nothing in line. We're going to break, and our line is just an empty input, and we'll append this to our text. So now this is done. Now we're gonna count our characters so that we can convert it to words, and we're gonna make a variable to find the elapsed time. So let's start with that first. Our elapsed time is the sum of the length. No, our elapsed time is just n to start by 60. And the reason I'm dividing it by 60 is the time recorded from here to here is in seconds, and to convert it into minutes, we are gonna divide it by 60. And the reason we are converting it into minutes is that words per minute is based on minutes and not on seconds. And for a characters count, So what this will do is it will find so for every letter we have entered in line, we are going to just add this, and for our words count, this is going to be our, so in this program we'll just assume that every 5 characters makes a word, regardless it's a punctuation mark, a white space like just the space, and anything. So anything counts as 1 character, and to connect it to a word we'll just divide it by 5. So characters count by 5, and our words per minute is words count by elapsed time, which is in minutes. We'll just round it off so we don't get a floating point number. Now we'll print, whoops, I did not mean to open that. We're gonna print your average typing speed is words per minute. Now if our words per minute is less than 30, we are just using this so that we can just get to know about, like, we just get to know if we have to improve or not. So if it's less than 30, it's not that bad. So you have, oh sorry, you are below average. Yeah, and if words per minute is less than 40, we're gonna print you are average, as 40 words per minute is average. I'm not sure. And if words per minute is less than 50, I think this is above average. You are above average. Or else if our words per minute is less than 60, we'll just print you are fast and fluent at typing. Else we'll just print that your your typing speed is required for most jobs. You you can now become a professional typist. I think this should work. It only took 33 lines of code. We'll run this. We'll press enter. Hi, how are you? Typing speed is 0. What? Let me just find the error. I'll just try running it again. Let me just find the error real quick. Hmm. Characters count. Yeah, this should be text and not a line because a line is empty. Hi, how are you? This wasn't that fast, so it's 56. is 56. We'll just add words per minute in brackets this. It is 49 words per minute. I'll just try. Okay, so I'm gonna just type my. I'll just type something random. Yeah, this is very less. It's very less. And I forgot to press enter twice, so yeah, it's 68 words per minute, and it shows our typing speed is required for most jobs. You can now become a professional typist. In my previous video, or I think my yeah, in my typing speed video, my typing speed was above 90, and over here I just don't know what to type. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.